In this video, I'll show you some incredible free Blender add-ons that can dramatically speed up your workflow, save you hours of work, and make using Blender much more enjoyable. Let's jump in. 1. Loop Tools Add-on. Loop Tools is a free add-on that is built into Blender. It helps you create edge loops efficiently. 2. Blender Kit Addon. Blender Kit Addon is a great add-on that has thousands of free 3D models, HDRIs, materials, scenes, and brushes. This saves you a lot of time from creating 3D models from scratch and random search online for 3D assets. 3. Archimesh. Save hours on architectural modeling with Archimesh, Blender's built-in add-on. Effortlessly create rooms, doors, windows. 4. IKEA Browser. Browse IKEA's catalog of furniture, and import the 3D models used on their website into Blender with a single click. Five. Cell Fracture. The Cell Fracture add-on helps you break objects into smaller independent pieces easily and faster. The add-on gives you full control on how the object breaks. This is very useful for creating destruction effects in animations or simulations. 6. UKPaint Add-on. UKPaint is a Blender add-on to manage texture layers for the EV and Cycles renderers. Use vector displacement map as sculpt layers. You can paint vertex color masks / layers in sculpt mode. Easily stack layers into multiple channels. Easily set up real-time displacement layers. 7. Simplify Add-on. Simplify Plus improves the 3D viewport experience in Blender so you can work happier, better and faster. 8. Simple Audio Visualizer. Need to create some quick audio visualizer? This add-on creates a simple audio visualizer by generating animated cubes, or by animating your own objects to the spectrum of a selected audio file. 9. Tiny Eye Add-on. Tiny Eye is a free, fully procedural, stylized eye that works in both EEVEE and Cycles. Its flexibility, paired with a library of ready-to-use presets, allows for you to quickly create a wide variety of eyes. 10. SCI-Fi FX Shader Add-on. Looking to add some quick sci-fi effects to your Blender projects? SCI-Fi FX Shader Add-on is just what you need. This add-on helps you create cinematic visual effects with no hustle. It's fully procedural and give you full control to customize each effect to your preference. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely want to watch my other Blender add-on tutorials next. Click one of the videos on screen, and I'll see you there.